In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook cover photo in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, go to the search bar at the top and type in Facebook cover. Canva already knows the correct dimensions for you, so choosing this preset will make sure your design fits perfectly on a Facebook profile or page without getting cut off. Click on the Facebook cover option to open a new design. You'll now see a blank canvas that's sized exactly for Facebook. On the left-hand side, you'll find a panel with templates, elements, text, photos, and more. Start by browsing the templates section. These are pre-designed layouts you can customize, which is perfect if you're not comfortable starting from scratch. Scroll through the options and pick a style that matches your brand or the mood you're going for. Once you find one you like, click it, and it will automatically appear on your canvas. Next, customize the images and colors so your cover feels unique to you. If the template uses images you don't want, click on an image and press Delete on your keyboard, or use the Delete icon. Then, go to the Photos tab or the Upload section if you already have your own images. Drag and drop any photo onto the template, and Canva will snap it into place. You can double-click the image to reposition it inside its frame, or use the corners to resize it. Adjust colors by clicking on any colored element. Then choose new shades that align with your logo, your brand, or your personal style. Now, let's update the text. Click on any text box in the design to edit the words. Type in your name, your page title, a slogan, or a call to action, depending on the purpose of your cover. You can change the font from the toolbar at the top, adjust the size, and play with spacing until everything is easy to read. Keep in mind that on Facebook, profile pictures and buttons can cover parts of the header, so aim to keep your most important text toward the center. When you're happy with how everything looks, give your design a quick review. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes, that the layout feels balanced, and that the key message is clear. Finally, go to the top right corner and click on the Download button. Choose PNG or JPG as your file type, then download the image to your computer. Your Facebook cover photo is now ready. All that's left is to upload it to your Facebook profile or page and enjoy your new, professional-looking header.